Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So today so far I have recorded a video, which is, by the time you're watching this, will have already been up. It's the what I got for Christmas video. I recorded everything I got, but then I was like, you know what, no, I'm not going to do that because it comes off as, I don't know, it just doesn't come off nice, and also the video would be really long, so I decided just to pick a couple of things, just tell my favourite things that I got, and that I'm literally in love with. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing this morning, and I just need to finish doing that. And then I've also been watching Dreamgirls. It was recorded on the Sky, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna watch that. So yeah, it's just been a very relaxing week. It's been so boring, to be honest, at some stages, but I have to do the boring part of the Christmas decorating now. I have to go around and take down all the Christmas trees and I decorate, and I don't have to go and sort it and put it away because that's part of the service. And yeah, and I got new business cards again because the ones I got, my number was incorrect on them, so people could have been trying to call me and I wouldn't have known because my number was incorrect. So yeah, I have to go up this week and do that, and yeah, that's just a quick update what's going on. And also, I'm going to be very good this year because I am going doing the gym again. I'm going to start working out again. I'm going to take it slow. I'm not going to rush into doing any seriously complex workouts. I'm just going to keep it simple, a few ab workouts, a few lunges, some cardio, and that's literally it. That's what I'm doing. But I want to eat start eating really healthy again because all I've been eating is no vitamin stuff, no fruit or veg. Well, I have eaten veg, but it's been very limited. But I want to eat more veg, a lot more because my skin is starting to break out, and I started using this face wash thing. It's what do you call with the brush that spins around, one of them, and I love it. I use it day and night, and yeah, so it's just okay, that's what's going on right now. So yeah. Hello guys, good morning. So today is the dreaded day where I've taken all the decorations, and just as a warning, I know this vlog will be going up next weekend, so it will be the 16th or something, I think it is. So just bear in mind, I'm not taking them in the 16th, I'm taking them down on the 5th, I think it is. I think I'm taking them today the 5th. But I'm not taking them all down, I'm just taking the baubles and stuff, these kind of things, off the tree. And then because it's bad luck apparently to take down decorations before the 12th. So yeah, that's what is up today. And yeah, and then I have to start an assignment that is due for Monday, and this thing's 12 A4 pages or something. So pray for me. And then I have to record a video today because I'm trying to upload every second day now. I'm being very good. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you at the minute. I really like this decoration. If you can see it, hold on. Focuses. It's so pretty. It's gold with little the diamonds on it. It's so pretty. I love that one. But yeah, sorry. The video I put up yesterday was what I got for Christmas. I know it's a real different video that I wouldn't normally put up on my channel, but I'm just trying to put up as such a variety of videos that I just thought, you know what, just put it up and see what happens and see if you like it. If you don't like it, that's fine. I don't mind. It's only a video, I'm not gonna cry about it. But yeah, and I'm so excited because I'm going to Rome in 2 weeks, and it's so exciting. And we're going the whole college, or the whole college, as in the architects and the interior architects, all that class. But yeah, I'm so excited for that. I think the vlogs will be really good. But yeah. Hey guys, so I'm in Westport now. I'm just going to do the not so fun part of this Christmas decorating. It's where I have to go and take down the decorations again. And sorry about this lighting, it's so bad. It's literally so bad. And like I had such a stressful time trying to park. Like there's this BMW beside me and it's a real fancy car, and it's like parked not straight. So I was there looking at the lines like, oh my god, where am I going? And next thing that's there, the car beside me is like going beep, beep, beep. It must have like sensors on it that if you get too close or whatever. And like my nose all marked from my sunglasses. Like it's actually so bad. But yeah, I have to go in now and do this, and I think I'm late. But yeah, I'll talk to you later. Okay guys, so I finished doing the tree there at Bowcraft Marketing there on James Street, and now I just need to run a quick errands, need to go into Boots and get some stuff, and then I'm going to go into the florist that is up here because I have an idea for an upcoming video, and I feel like it's going to be a good one. So yeah, this is a quick update of what's going on right now. I'll give you like a little look at my view because I don't think I'm confident enough to go vlog in public yet, so this is what I'm seeing right now. I need to go in there to Boots, and then the florist is like all the way down there. Okay, so I went to this florist shop, right, and there's some stunning, like gorgeous flowers, and I asked the lady if I could take pictures of them, you know, for like planning what I'm gonna do. It's like, sorry, I'm not the owner, I don't know if you're allowed to do that or not. And I was just thinking like, oh my god, I should have just took the picture instead of asking, because, you know, I just wanted to be polite and respect other people's like work and stuff. Like if I was to put it anywhere, I would obviously give them like credit for like the flowers and stuff, like I always do with my projects. I always give the suppliers credit, but yeah, it's really annoying now because I would have got a nice picture for Instagram in there, but I can't anymore. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna head home now, and I'm gonna edit the vlog that I done over Christmas and upload it, and yeah, because I'm uploading every second day now. Fingers crossed I say that way, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Hi guys, I'm home now, and I just thought I'd mention the video, and just thought I'd show you my business cards, just in case I haven't showed you them, because I had to get them reprinted because there was a mistake made with the first ones. But these are them. I'll show you the front and then the back. This is the front of them, see that, and then this is the back. It shows like my name and like, you know, my phone number, email address, and the services, and then like the social media like information and stuff. And then I also got spray paint for a DIY that I'm doing, which will be up before this vlog is up. So if you haven't seen that, I'll have a link below, and it's this type of metal. It's real shiny metal, so it's for my room, hint hint. But yeah, you don't gotta spend a fortune to have something that looks like a fortune. So yeah, and also I put up a picture of my room on Instagram, so I'd go check that out if I was you, because it's like my bed and everything, and all this behind me. But like, I'm getting someone in to like put a finish on that vent that is the same pattern as, I don't know, as the wallpaper, if you can see that. Yeah, yeah, there you go, yeah, that area over there. So yeah, this is a quick little update, and I mentioned the video now for the vlog that I done over this Christmas or whatever, so I'm gonna do it now. And yeah, I'm exhausted, but it'll be so worth it because I'm gonna do my thing this year. I'm gonna do so I just got a notification, I think it's for Photoshop, but yeah, so I forgot what I was saying there, but like, I'm gonna upload every second day, and I'm gonna try so hard to do it. Like, I mean, obviously there'll be times where I can't do it, but I'm just gonna like try so hard, because like, you know, college and stuff like that takes up a lot of time. But yeah, so far I'm gonna do it, and like I have so much DIYs and stuff that I have in my head, and I want to like make and show you how to do. So yeah, this is what I was going through my mind at the minute. Hi guys, so I'm back from the walk now. We went to the walk, and then we came back to my house, and then we went to Taya's house. So I had a cup of coffee, so I feel very energized now. But it was so nice. I got a few pictures around the walks, and I'm gonna post on Instagram now. So if you're not following me on there, go do that. It's linked below. I always post stuff up on there like more often than anywhere else. So yeah, and also we're planning on like doing this big massive ski holiday next January, because like you need like a year to plan like a ski holiday, because you gotta save up and everything because it's expensive. So yeah, I cannot wait. I'm really hoping it goes through. So I'm gonna like research all about that tonight, and I have to get like a few more people to go, because we're looking at this chalet, but it's £4 for the week, and if there's like at least like 16 people, it's only €250 each. So like it's unreal. But yeah, but it depends on like this time of year we go as well. Like it'll have to be like around winter time. Either it'll definitely be after Christmas, because it's too big. I'm too busy like around Christmas time, like before it, because I'm doing all the Christmas decorating stuff and getting all that sorted. So yeah, that's just the update I got for you now. And I don't know if I'm gonna work out tonight, because last night was so hard. It was so hard. Oh my god, my legs today, and I was only up there for like 15 minutes. But I done like 150 lunges, and then I done 150 like of the kind of like, you kind of go in a plank motion. You can put your bum up and push down again, but like you kind of make it so you're level again. It's like for your core. And by the under 150, oh my god, I can only do like 50 I think it was a time of that, because it was so hard. Because by the time you got to 50 you're like crying, like it was so bad. But yeah, I think I might just take it easier tonight. Maybe do like, see, I was going to go on the treadmill, but there's like a safety key that goes into it, like in your, like, well, you're supposed to put it on like on your arm or something, so that if you do like kind of fall, it pulls off and it stops like immediately. But that key is gone, and it won't turn on without that key being in it. So I don't know where that key is gone, so I have to go look for that as well. But yeah, so I'm just gonna have my dinner now, because like all I had to say was like, no, actually, I had the nicest breakfast ever. I had got these like cinnamon and raisin bagels, and I had them, I toasted them with some peanut butter on them, and I like had a banana on top of that then again. So I try to eat like bananas, like at least 2 bananas a day, because they're really good for like your skin and stuff. But then I had some soup when I came back from the walk, and I had like tomato soup, homemade of course, because I don't take like eating stuff out the packet, and also I can't because it's not gonna. But I'm talking too fast. But I am in love with these kale and quinoa burgers. They are amazing, and they're like gluten-free, organic, and they're and vegan, so like they're amazing. But like they're so good for you as well. Like yeah, I just love them. So I'm having them, and then I'm gonna have a bowl of soup as well, and it'll be perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye now till the next time this talk, because I'm just waffling, and it's come up on 3 minutes, and I don't want this vlog to be like forever. So yeah. Hey guys, so my video is rendering now, thank the Lord, but it's gonna take ages. It's only on like 3%, but it's only been rendering for like a minute yet. So yeah, it'll probably be about 10 minutes to stay rendering, which is really annoying. And then it's gonna take like an hour or so to upload, and it's now coming 10 o'clock, so it won't be till 11 o'clock again tonight that it's up. But you know what? Doesn't matter, it's still gonna be up. But yeah, I'm freezing. I have my dressing gown on, but I just thought it looked a bit like, you know, unprofessional of me to be wearing my dressing gown in a video. But anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Hi guys, so I just got my hair cut. It's very short now, but my cousin wants to be in the vlog.
Yay!
Because they've been annoying me for ages. Do you want to be in it?
I balloon.
And yeah, the 18 balloons are still here. So yeah, I just wanted to put them in. Hey guys, so I'm just after filming a video and editing it, and now it's uploading. I've been doing this for the past 3 hours, and I thought like, oh my god, no, it won't take like, it'll take less than an hour, half an hour to film it, and it'll take like less than an hour to edit it, and then it'll take, you know, less than an hour to upload. No, well, when I went to record it, I realised that I didn't know what I was talking about. And I had to go on like Pinterest and get some pictures just so I had some reference to like back up what I was saying, because I'm not the best at explaining stuff. So yeah, I had to do that. So and now it's rendering. It's been rendering for the past like 10 minutes, and I'm just like so impatient, and I really want to get it up tonight, because if I get up tomorrow then I would have missed a day, and I'm trying to upload every second day. So yes, a lot to take in right now, and I'm just like go and watch Pretty Little Liars. I've watched like season 1 to 7, whatever it is, like 3 times already, but I just have to watch like every year because it's my life and I just love it so much. Between that and Keeping Up with the Kardashians and Riverdale and what other ones I watch? I think that's, and Friends. I watch Friends as well, but like, yeah, they're my favorites. I watch them like religiously. So now I have to go and like wash my face and do all that fun stuff before I actually sit down for bed. And I use like that face brush cleaner thing that like rotates when I clean my face. So bad at explaining. But yeah, I use that on my face when I'm cleaning it, and I use 2 face washes. I use one in the morning and one in the evening. I use like the number 7 energized one in the morning, and then I use a charcoal face wash in the evening, just like to detox whatever. Hey guys, so it was last time I talked to you, but now I'm just going for food, and I just would like to show you my bracelet I have. I'm literally obsessed with this. I got it for Christmas. I don't know if you see my what I got for Christmas video, but I put this in it and I love it so much. I literally wear it everywhere. But I'm just gonna go get some food now, and I was gonna give you like a little OOTD whilst I'm here. Here's my mirror. It's actually kind of dirty, but like I'm literally just wearing. Well, this is my actual outfit. This like shirt. It's like short sleeve, and then I have this white top and it says Pollo Money on it. It's not real, but and then I have my belts and my black jeans, and then I have my superstars on, and that is it. And then I always wear this jacket because it's literally my favorite jacket ever. I just love it so much because it's like so cushy and warm, and I love it. Hey guys, oh my god, I just got so distracted on Pinterest, but I just wanted to come on here and close off this vlog for this week. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what you thought in the comment section below. I always love to hear from you. I love your thoughts and your opinions, and I love to hear the feedback because that helps me figure out what I'm going to upload and what videos you like to see, so that I'm not just putting up like silly videos. But yeah, that's all I got to say, and I will see you next week. And then, oh my god, guess what? So after next week's vlog, it's going to be the start of the Rome vlogs, so you'll see loads of a stunning architecture, and yeah, and like what the conditions will be that we're staying in. And I can have a feeling it's going to be so bad, but I'm not going to complain about it. There's worse things in the world. So yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye.